Do you like motorcycles? Do you like information about motorcycles? Do you like detailed information about motorcycles? Do you like honest information about motorcycles, motorcycling, riding, accessories, performance, etc.? Do you have the attention span of a gnat? Is your video engagement roughly the mating cycle of a mayfly? If that's the case, you're on the wrong channel, my friend. We dive in deep, we go long, we ramble. You're going to be bored quick and you're going to click elsewhere, so you might as well do it now. If you're looking for the real deal, if you're looking for somebody that's already looked at all the other videos on a subject and said, hey, I see missing data or I see information that I don't agree with, you've landed in the right spot. This is where we dig in, we get after it. We also don't just sit on it. If we find a mistake, if we said something was good and it's bad, if we said something's bad and it's good, we double back on it, we own up and we take ownership of it, we address it, and we move forward. Everything is about promoting the positive aspects of motorcycling, keeping it going for now, keeping it going for future generations, talking about inclusion, and just letting everybody know that motorcycling is good for your mind, your body, your spirit, your soul, and the community overall. I hope you enjoyed the channel. Ride safe. Namaste.